You are already exceptionally successful, as you are now HKU Engineering graduates. You know what it takes to succeed, so keep doing it. My colleagues and I eagerly await seeing the impact you will make on our world. Astound us.
Engineers are trained to solve problems. I'm sure that you are now all well equipped throughout your years of study in the university. There's nothing that is impossible, even though at times certain challenges are difficult to tackle. As I always believe that if there is a will, there is a way. Now, it is the time to construct your own journey and pave your way to success.
Engineering is more than a career, it is a calling. As an engineer, I have always taken pride in my role to design and improve integrated systems of people, materials, equipment, and energy. It's about creating solutions that enhance the quality of life and drive progress. Stay curious, embrace challenges, and hold fast to the value that define you as both an engineer and a person.
So if poised as an international citizen, your academic, career, and life aspirations should point more to humanity at large. Try to look for significance, not just about success, as many value it physically and on monetary terms. Life is too short to waste without a good purpose. Try to do good and do well to you and your neighbors, close or far, with passion, humility, and integrity. So strive to become a polymath in a broader and deeper domains. Vision with action can change the world.